Here's how you can connect your Fire TV stick to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For internet access, you must register your Fire Stick by its MAC address. To find its MAC address, scroll right on the home screen and select Settings. Scroll to the right again and select Device. Select the first About option, then scroll down to Network. The MAC address will be listed on the bottom right. With the MAC address, you can now register your Fire Stick. Go to mydevices.uww.edu and sign in with your NetID and password. Click the Add button. Then enter in a name for your device and its MAC address and click Submit. Your Fire Stick will now be registered. Once your device is registered, return to your Fire Stick settings. Select Network, then scroll down and select Join Other Network. Type in the Wi-Fi name UWW Play as shown here. Select Next. This will open a pop-up message asking for the security type. Select No Security, then select Next. Finally, select Connect. Your Fire TV stick will then be connected to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For any further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu for help.